Hello, my name is Robin Vesely and today I'm gonna cook some meal for you. First of all, I will remove my wimple because I'm home and you need it only when you are outside due to coronavirus pandemic. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook chicken with noodle and vegetable. This meal came from Asian countries and it's one of my favorite dishes because I always like my Asian meals and it's easy to cook. So let's move on and what shall we need? Here you can see all of the ingredients. First of all, I bought 1 kilo of chicken breasts, but we will only need half kilo. Then we will need some frozen vegetable, but when I bought those ingredients yesterday, my mother managed to cook vegetable soup with it, so instead of a frozen vegetable with corn, I will use this soup mixture. Instead of this, you can buy an ordinary vegetable and then slice it, but that is more expensive and it takes more time. Also, we would need noodles and only 2 cloves of garlic. In the end, we will add some spice, salt, pepper, soybean sauce, and then I bought cayenne pepper, which will make our dish more spicy. Well, that's all of the ingredients and let's move on to cooking. Okay, in the beginning we will prepare our frozen vegetable. Firstly, I will pour some water into the kettle and then after it's boiled, I will pour it into the cooking pot and then we will continue with our vegetable. Now that we have our vegetable, we will prepare noodles. I bought half kilo of noodles, which is split it into 8 of these servings, but we will only need 5 of them. I will repeat my trick with water. So firstly I will boil it and then I will put it into the cooking pot. We will set up our cooker for 100 degrees and then we will insert our noodles. As I can see, I will need more water, so we can pour some extra water in it and then we will set up reminder for 15 minutes and we will wait. Okay, now that we have finished our noodles, we can move on to chicken breasts. This will be the funny part because I never done this before, so let's move on. We will try to slice it into stripes. If it's needed, we will remove fat parts and also the unclean parts. This will be kinda hard. I also forgot to mention that this food was always prepared by my mother, not by myself. So that also plays the role here. Okay, let's destroy the second wing. Okay, the hardest part is over, and now we will cut some garlic. We will only need 3 cloves, and after we peel them, we will cut them into small pieces. And now let's make some cuts. I think that's perfect. And now we have everything prepared, so let's move on to frying. Let's turn on our cooker. Firstly we will add sunflower oil, a little bit. We will set up for 100 degrees. We will wait until it starts popping. We will check it by this one. Now we will add chicken breasts. Now I will add some pepper, also some soybean sauce, some cayenne pepper, and now we will add our vegetable. And in the end, we will add noodles. And now I will add salt. Okay, after 15 minutes we're done. We can turn off our cooker and let's serve it. The rest will be moved into those, but I will do that later. I think that's it. Okay, it was kind of a battle, but we are in the end. Now let's taste some. What a nice dinner. Okay, this was my video tutorial. Thank you all for watching and have a nice day. Bye.